Another substantially tuned Porsche 911 Turbo S from Mansory is making headlines. The P9LM EVO 900 is a comprehensive tuning package with a 10-unit limited manufacturing run for the renowned marque that includes an extreme body kit, new interior upholstery, and a much more powerful engine. The biturbo 3.8-litre flat-six engine found in the Porsche 911 Turbo S is already quite potent, producing 800 Nm, 590 pounds-to-foot, of torque and 641 horsepower, 478 kilowatts/650 PS, in original form. Mansory increased the power to 888 horsepower, 662 kilowatts/900 PS, and 1050 Nm, 774 pounds-to-foot, of torque, matching Brabus and outperforming TechArt. A pair of larger VTG turbochargers, 98mm downpipes, a water-cooled intercooler, and a sports air filter were added, along with modified ECU software, to achieve the gain. The 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 mph, sprint still takes 2.5 seconds despite the increase in power, and the highest speed stays at 340 km/h, 211 mph. With wider intakes for greater cooling, the front is entirely made of carbon fiber. Additionally, side flaps at the corners provide additional downforce to the front wheels. There are more exposed carbon for the front, mirror camps, and side sills, stretching rearward to even more exposed carbon for massive side intakes ahead of the rear fenders. A new rear fascia with an equally insane diffuser sits atop a bonkers biplane spoiler. Additionally, the rear window has a scoop to ensure that the engine receives all the air it needs. Mansory designers were given carte blanche on the interior, covering the entire cabin in soft, high-quality leather. The model shown here features light green and white leather with plenty of visible carbon fiber, a new steering wheel with integrated shift lights, unique floor mats, color-matched seat belts, and other accessories. Of course, each of the 10 owners will be free to select his or her own color scheme. Only 10 P9LM EVO 900 coupes and convertibles will be produced, with customers able to select between the two options. The rear engine scoop is visibly absent from the drop top, and purchasers can also decide to delete the winglets at the front and rear wheels for a more subdued appearance. Pricing is not specified because Mansory builds often include a significant level of customization.